Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to repeat or insert row and column headers in Excel. You might be having a report which you want to print and you want the headers of the report to appear in every page that you print. For example, in this report, I want these row headers to appear in every page, but at the moment they cannot appear. Let's confirm. Let's go to the file option and then go to print. And then from the preview, you can see this report has 6 pages and this is the first page. It has the headers. If you can go to the pages below, you can see the headers are not there. So how can we insert the row headers? Let's go back. So go to the page layout and click on it, and then in the page setup group you'll see this icon on the far right side. Okay, click on it, then go to sheet, then go to rows to repeat at top, and on the far right side you click on this icon, and then from there select the rows or the headers that you want to be repeated, and then go and click this icon. So from there you can see rows to repeat, they are selected there, and then let's click OK. So if we can confirm whether the headers have been inserted in every page, let's go to print. And this is the first page, we have the headers. Let's scroll below. You can see we are in the 3rd page and the headers are there. They have been inserted. 5th page and the headers are there. So what about inserting the column headers? You follow the same steps. So again, in the page layout, in the page setup group, click on this icon on the far right side and then go to sheet. So in this case, we shall go to columns to repeat at left and click on the icon on the far right side. So from there, let's select the column. So we shall select column A. This is just an example. And then let's click on this icon on the far right side. You can see the column has been selected. Let's click OK. So that's it about repeating or inserting row and column headers in Excel. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye!